beginning of the decimal unit. The first thing we are going to do is we're going to discuss comparing numbers and decimal numbers. Matthew's school has a garden where students can grow vegetables. In this plan of the garden, the white areas show the paths. Each small square is 1 meter squared. Question: what decimal describes the total area of the garden that is planted? So in order to answer this question, we're going to answer several smaller questions. How many small squares are there in total? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 rows of 10. So that would mean that it is 10 times 10, which is 100 total squares. What is the area of Matthew's patch? Well, Matthew's patch is 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 4 times 5, which is 20 meters squared. It says compare the area of Matthew's patch with the area of the whole garden. So this would be 20 squares out of a total of 100, which would be 0.20 meters squared. Okay. Compare the area of every other patch with the area of the whole garden. Okay. So if I do Fiona, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4. So Fiona is, if I do Fiona, it's 4 times 4, which is 16 meters squared. Okay. If I do Nolan, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Nolan has 10 meters squared. Uh, 10 meters squared for Nolan. Next up would be Yan, and then also Julie. Okay, so Yan would be 2 by 4, which would be 8. So Yan is 2 times 4, which is equal to 8 meters squared. And the last one is Julie, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3. 4 by 3 is 12 meters squared. So if I wrote each one as a decimal, that would be 16 over 100, which would be 0.16. 10 out of 100, which would be 0.10. That would be 8 out of 100, which would be 0.08. And 12 out of 100, which would be 0.12. It says, what part of the garden is planted? Okay, so if I added all of these up, I had 0.20 for the first one, 0.16 plus 0.10 plus 0.08 plus 0.12, which would be 0.66 or 66 meters squared. Okay, so that's just an introduction to decimals. What did you think? Decide whether you agree or disagree with each statement. Statement number 1. Adding decimals is different from adding whole numbers. Well, let's check. If I go 0.23 plus 0.14, and if I take 23 by 23 plus 14. Same numbers, just decimal. So I would get 7 and I would get 3. I would get 7 and I would get 3 and 0.37. So they are the exact same methods. All you have to do is make sure the decimal points are lined up. So agree or disagree. Adding decimals is different than adding whole numbers. Wrong. Every decimal multiplication is related to a whole number multiplication. Well, if I go 2 times 3, I get 6. If I get 0.2 times 3, I would get 0.6. Related? Absolutely they are. 3.2 divided by 0.4 should be less than 3.2 divided by 4. Well, this is actually incorrect. This is a smaller number. So what that means is more of them are going to go into that than this is going to go into that. So this statement is not true. Every decimal is equivalent to more than one fraction. This is true. If I get 0.1, this is 1/10 or 10 out of 100. True. Okay, so now you have an introduction. Let's go on to lesson 3.1, review of adding and subtracting numbers. So, in order to add and subtract numbers, all you have to do is make sure the numbers are lined up. So if I gave you 2, 2, 3, 4 plus 5, 6, 7, 4, in order to add these numbers, what you have to do is make sure the decimal place or the numbers are lined up. So you would not go 2, 2, 3, 4 plus 5, 6, 7, 4. That is wrong because this here is 1,000 place. This here is 1,000 place. So the 1,000 place should be over the 1,000 place. So this is the correct way to lining it up. Okay, so lining them up is the first step. Let's add. 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 7 is 10. Put the 0, carry the 1. 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 7. 7, 9, 0, 8 is the correct answer. Okay, let's try this one. Subtraction. So, I need to take 8 away from 2, but I can't do it. There's not enough. So I'm going to cross out the 3 and make 2, and cross out the 2 and make 12. Now, since I borrowed 10 from the number to the left, I can subtract. 12 take away 8 is 4. Now 2 take away 3, can't do it. So I'm going to cross off the 2 and make it 12, and I'm going to cross this and make it 4. I borrowed 10. 12 take away 3 is 9. Now I have 4 take away 1 is 3, 4 take away 2 is 2. And I get 2, 3, 9, 4. Which is incorrect. So, oh wait, no, that was correct, so apologies, guys. Okay, so what I would like you to do is, based on that, I'd like you to pause the video and do these try questions now. Okay, so, pause the video now. Okay, so hopefully you tried these questions and were successful. I'm going to go through the answers for you to just see if you understand. 6 plus 0 is 6, 7 plus 4 is 11, carry the 1, 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10,460. Next, 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 plus 8 is 12, 2, carry the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13, and I get 1, 3, 4, 2, 3. 8, 13, 7, and 8. 8, 7, 3, 8. Next, 5 plus 8 is 13, carry the 1, 3, 4, 5. 9, that'd be 14, carry the 1, 5, 6, 7. 7, 4, 5, 3. Next, 1 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. Actually, apologies, guys. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10,651. Okay, row 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. 6, 5, 9, 9. Next, 6 plus 2 is 8. 8, 9, 4. 4, 9, 8, 8. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0, carry the 1. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 3, 4, 5. And 8 plus 4 is 12. 12,510. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 9, 13, 14. 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, 8 plus 8 is 16. Carry the 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 15. Carry the 1s. And 12. 12,586. Okay, next are subtraction ones. Cannot subtract, so I'm going to make this a 13 and make this a 0. 13 take away 5 is 8. Now, can't take 8 away from 0, can't, so I'm going to borrow. So this is going to become a 6. This is going to become a 10. Need to borrow 9, make this a 10. 10 take away 8 is 2. 9 take away 6 is 3. 6 take away 3 is 3. 3, 3, 2, 8. Next, 4 take away 3 is 1. 8 take away 6 is 2. 5 can't do it, so make that a 7. And make that a 15 by borrowing. 15 take away 9 is 6. 7 take away 1 is 6. So 6, 6, 2, 1. Next, 8 take away 1 is 7. 4 becomes 14. This becomes 6. 14 take away 6 is 8. 6 take away nothing is 6. 9 take away 7 is 2. 2, 6, 8, 7. Can't borrow, so this becomes an 8. This becomes an 11. 11 take away 8 is 3. 8 take away 6 is 2. 9 take away 7 is 2. And 3 take away 3 is 0. So 223. This becomes a 13. This becomes a 0. 13 take away 6. 13 take away 6 is 7. Can't, so I make that a 4. Make that a 10. 10 take away 8 is 2. 4 can't, so make that a 4. Make that a 14. 14 take away 8 is 6. 4 take away 3 is 1. 1, 6, 2, 7. Number 16. 2 take away 0 is 2. Can't, so make that a 10, and I'm going to make that a 6. 10 take away 7 is 3. 6 take away 6 is 0. 5 take away 3 is 2. 2, 0, 3, 2. Next, 6 take away 6 is 0. 6 take away 5 is 1. Make that a 10, and make that a 8. 10 take away 3 is 7. 8 take away 4 is 4. Next, 8 take away 3 is 5. 9 take away 1 is 8. 0, 4. 4, 0, 8, 5. Next, make that a 10. Make that a 3. 10 take away 9 is 1. Make that a 13. Make that a 4. 13 take away 5 is 8. 4 take away 8 can't be done, so make that a 7. Make that a 14. 14 take away 8 is 6. 7 take away 6 is 1. 1681. 4 take away 3 is 1. That becomes a 12. That becomes a 6. 12 take away 6 is 6. 6 take away 6 is 0. 4 take away 1 is 3. 3, 0, 6, 1 is the correct answer. Okay, so hopefully you understood that first review lesson of grade 6 material.